Nvidia. It's going to take some time.
Welcome, guys. We're here. February 26th, man. Nvidia earnings about to come out.
I really hope you enjoyed it for real.
Got the team here in Discord.
So if you didn't get banned and participated today,
Yo.
vibing with the whole community in a way that didn't get you banned. You know what I'm saying? That's amazing. So get along for it, please. I don't want to waste your time.
All right, let's take a look at Robin Hood, see exactly when these boys are doing earnings.
We'll wait till we get the here with Nvidia. Any other earnings come out, I'll get them for you. I'll just wait till
we got my boy Stock Market Live as well in the background. Shout out Stock Market Live. Always covering
Kratos came out, they beat
everything, literally.
Any of these, I'll come back
and the trading fraternity.
The trading fraternity. All right, earnings.
Oh yeah, let me throw Snow up.
Available after hours, no shit. Robin Hood be on some shit. Robin Hood be on some shit, family. We can join the earnings call. All right, cool. All right, got bro registering to join the call. I think they're scheduled for 4:15. Yeah, man. So we're just here. This is usually what I'm doing. After the market closes, anyway, I'm usually checking out the chart, seeing what happened today. Since I'm usually done by 12:30, I come back and check out what happened today after my trade, and prepare for tomorrow. So. Go ahead, clean my charts from the day. See what we got, man. I really thought the market was gonna go bullish today, man, but
it really did not.
It really did not, man. Check the daily. We do got a doji on the daily. I mean,
yeah, which is fair.
For
Nvidia earnings.
Yeah, you put it that way. You know what I mean?
Decision day. Little consolidation on the daily, though. Didn't make a lower low.
Yeah, they make a lower low, made a slight higher low on the daily, so it's not everything I wanted to see, but it is showing some bullish context. Check out the NASDAQ as well. This is where the party's going to be going down.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, same on the DAC. Nice little doji on the dailies. You got some nice clean charts, man, for real. See what plays out.
NASDAQ has that same downtrend on the floor, that's for sure.
Yeah, man, the downtrend is still holding. Looks like the 5th red day in a row. Fifth red day in a row. Shout out my boy Stock Market Live playing his own music, man.
His own music. Probably gonna get a copyright for this.
I know. Hopefully he doesn't copyright me for this.
Okay.
Got to pull up CNBC on my little terminal right here.
Straight. Yeah, I didn't really see I got joined the call, but they didn't give me a time.
All right, I'm headed over to CNBC. It's like my boy Trap, man. Check out the market. Yeah, check out the market. Awaiting Nvidia, man. Everybody's awaiting Nvidia, man. It's exciting times like the Super Bowl.
Also pointed out that this is a stock that has, despite some of the large losers here.
10%. No, you're pricing in 15. So you need to know.
Definitely the Super Bowl we're trading right now.
Yeah, definitely a Super Bowl event for trading right now, man.
You can post them. I'm waiting for Nvidia. And then I'll get any easy follow-ups once they start to hit. And just tell me, give it like 5 minutes. I've seen dogs. I've seen light.
All right, man, we sitting back. Sitting back, waiting for Nvidia.
Excited to be back to work tomorrow. Nice practice day.
Yeah, very nice practice day, man. If anybody caught the video, from earlier. Got some nice practice trades in. Threw out some nice signals in the Discord, man. You know what I'm saying? It's my day off. I couldn't take it live, man. Been on a streak or so. I followed my rules. Happy about that.
Yeah, happy about that. Made it through.
Made it through, man. Didn't break the rule. So I'm pumped up to come in tomorrow following process.
The most exciting part about the process for me from today was like, even with all the volatility, like it led to it's either gonna lead to a right now situation or just a good more than ever it's gonna lead to a good set limit. Like a no trade move, like in that exact moment, give you more time to think.
Yeah, because it's gonna have you in the proper situation, bro. Like today, like bro, the market was super volatile. We caught that buy off Monday low, and market ended up hitting that 60-20 and going all the way back down to where we're at right now, down to the 59.50 area before bouncing again.
The markets are closed.
So especially what you got to do, especially when shit is volatile, got to lean on the process. Risk management, lean on process on getting in. You know what I'm saying? Because the market is obviously uncertain. So you don't want to get caught up in that uncertainty. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Especially when this is your job, man.
For real. 1.8 million volume today, 1.780.
Yeah, that was good volume. Let's check out. Perfect time to check out the specs, even though Nvidia is finna come and probably gonna change up the situation, but low of the day.
Go ahead and put a box around the day, even though that can change.
All right, cool.
And just a downtrend on the 4 and the daily too. But a green close for this 4 hour that can change as well. So.
All right, so the current daily range, I'll go ahead and grid that out. This is what you guys usually see on my charts during the actual session, but I'll go ahead and I do all that stuff after the market closes the previous day. So go ahead and grid this out, even though Nvidia is about to come out, so this is very subject to change, but that's even better. See the current range and see if it breaks out of it.
Exactly.
So we'll do the same for the wacky dacky over here. My partner, the NASDAQ. All right, we'll go down to the 4 hour time frame. Actually, what time frame are you looking at for this? It's probably going to come out at 4:15. Let's look at the 15-minute so we can see some fireworks there.
Yeah, I guess for the fireworks, the hour or the 15, honestly, either one. The hour moves pretty violent, so at least you'll be seeing what it's going into.
All right, perfect.
So 59.80, like the low level right now, and the hour was testing pricing and broke.
All right, so as you can see, today's range is already highlighted, the current range of today. Price closed as a doji, so you can see price is pretty much in the middle of that range. Let's see what Nvidia is going to do, man.
Yes, sir.
Earnings alert on CNBC. Earnings alert. It's like eBay just came out. eBay. Who cares about eBay?
Yeah, Snowflake came out. The C3 AI company is coming out now. Look like they're doing a beat with some. So it's everything, all the ones that came out so far were like good revenue beats and pretty good guidance.
All right, cool.
eBay did as far as like Snowflake and like this AI company. That's kind of the same lines of where we're about to go into with Nvidia. So they posted good guidance. That's really all I'm trying to see with Nvidia has good guidance. It's gonna be good.
Yeah.
The revenue here will be I don't know if they're gonna be able to beat their previous number, depending on how high the expectations are.
Yeah.
Check.
Yeah, I was just watching some OGs on Top Step X, and they was like, yeah, the guidance is gonna be most important, but one of the main things we want to see is price action to see if this shit is gonna hold or fold.
Really close, up 4% going to earnings.
Yeah, we did have a little pop at the end of the day off the fucking lows on the Fang on Magnificent 7. So slight little pop.
Nvidia has too much control, bro. Like, why they chart look so much like the S&P?
It look like the S&Ps.
Like, why does the chart look so much like the Nasdaq?
It's like, bro, just go up, man.
No, just go the fuck up.
Just go up, man. You know, shit.
Man, if it goes down, it will be interesting. At least I'll understand this.
Yeah, it'll definitely be interesting. Either way, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? I got some calls in Google long term. I can't lie. The easier trade is when the markets is going up. But if Nvidia fails now, then I'm really pulling my bear claws out. I'm getting in my bear bag. For real. Yeah, bro. I'm putting on the bear claws, man. So that's really my main thing I want to see. 415, nothing yet. This boy's holding their nuts right now.
Playing games.
Boys holding their nuts, man. You hear me? Can't blame them. Everybody's here waiting.
Yeah.
Last year was a really tough year, and we said in our playbook that in 2025, Snowflake's our recovery story that we think is on a better trajectory. We think results.
All right, man. Sit back and fucking watch.
Yeah, the dude on Snowflake, he on the dude right now.
Yeah, I see him.
Does not trade it. Palantir's locking with Volta's.
I said they did a partnership with They partnered with Microsoft for AI stuff.
Okay. Salesforce. Nigga still down 5% right now. Talking all that sweet loving. Real market's just in the down right now, man. Nvidia is trading at 131.94 right now, guys. 131.94 in the after hours.
We think, again, Asian Force is super early. Their days of AI are only months in. They launched at the end of October, so it's only 2 months in, and that's only a build. So we think, again, this result wasn't phenomenal. Snowflake was way better. And many investors were in position on Salesforce.
What's like they put the CNBC on the website on one thing?
They weren't great.
You gotta have Xfinity up on the laptop here.
And when they come back, really Nvidia is running fears of the market.
Yeah, I said they come down 3 minutes to results.
420. These niggas coming out at 420. Ah man. Should I hit the blunt? Nah.
I gotta roll the blunt there.
Let's go, man.
That was a great day. Great work, man.
Yeah, great work day, man. Great off day. Off day, not off day, man. Process day, really. It's excellent.
Yeah, especially imagine like being in the markets and catching that loss and just fucking getting those short signals off of that supply.
Shoo.
Oh, man.
That's what I'm saying. It's the time to make money, just like they were saying on Earning Leisure on Monday. The homie Ian was talking, and he was like, "For us, it's nothing to pull 100 P's out the market right now, out of the Nasdaq right now."
Yeah, that's why you gotta get in and get.
Yeah, you gotta be getting busy, man. You gotta be getting busy.
Yeah. Now that's why it's nice. At least I know when I come in exactly what I'm doing, just doing my run plan all the way through, and then it was nice to see the data, the places where you could get creative. Once moving the set limit around.
Yeah, like get creative in that arena. Like move your set limit up. Get creative with like reading the market. Like just go with the flow of the market. It's no moving slow.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Like you know what I'm saying?
The run plan, bro, is very simple, bro. It's just like It's just like it gets you on the track. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because
on the track, you in the right mindset that you can drive, you can navigate. You know?
Yeah, it gets you in the mode of what's happening right now. You know what I'm saying? That's why the signals are so important. Because just like what happened, it gave the buy signals, and that was the move right then. It bought up to that supply, right to the tip of it, and then it sold down. You know what I'm saying? So it's giving us the move in our time frame. That's the main thing. That's why the run plan is so important. You know what I'm saying? You're coming in, and it's just a few steps. You're coming in 9 a.m. All right, cool. What was Asia low and high? What was London low and high? Mark that on my charts. 9:30, 9:45. I'm marking the opening range, which we consider the 15-minute first candle, 9:30 to 9:45. Plot that. Then 10 a.m. Check out the 4-hour. Was it a change of move? As far as like if it's a downtrend, was it a move, change of move like a green candle? Or if it's an uptrend, was it a sell candle? Or was it just a continuation of the current trend? You know? And then once you got that, it's giving you a lot of the context of what's going on right now. Then you go from there to the 15-minute OR break. If that breaks, then you know the volume from the open is going to the sell side or the upside, depending on what side it breaks. Then you know exactly what's happening right now. You know what I'm saying? It's only a few steps. But if you're not following them, oh, did they drop? It's getting a little, things are heating up a little. Things are heating up. Oh, it's going down. NASDAQ's going down.
Oh yeah, we get some movement here.
There we go. This is exciting.
The hour's really exciting.
I'm on the 4-hour on the ES, and I'm on the 15-minute on the NASDAQ. But the 4-hour is really most important because this candle closing green, this is about to be very important for me.
I know. I'm watching the 4-hour on the NASDAQ too.
Yeah, 4-hour on the NASDAQ, 4-hour. And right now, it ain't really did shit. If you look at the box that we just put on the charts, the range that we were already trading in during the day, we're still just about to hit the top of it. Nothing's really happening right now.
Yeah, nothing really happened.
The videos results are out. Just hit CNBC. Hold up.
Adjusted for earnings per share, that is 5 cents higher than what the street
Nah, they just popped up. They're up 136.
Still higher on revenues of $39.3 billion. That is higher than the street anticipated. And I'm also seeing data center revenue coming in at $35.6 billion. The street was anticipating 33, so also a slight beat. We're back to you with the guidance.
All right, Casino Parts and Avalanche, thank you. Still coming through that result. Stephanie Link, want to get your reaction to this with a beat on the top and bottom lines, and it looks like data
had a beat on the top and bottom line.
Spiking about 300%.
Revenue beats.
Well, revenue beat, that was good. I think there was expectation that revenue was going to beat, so obviously very positive. But data center, I think, is all driven.
They're waiting on that guidance.
When you have the street that was looking for 34.1.
Got to hit by that guidance, man.
That would be up 11%.
That's what they're waiting on.
Sequentially, and then the number was a lot better than expected.
Oh.
35.6. That's up 12%.
Nvidia just got hit.
That should be good enough. But I think at the end of the day, we just have to hear.
Nvidia trading at 128 after hitting 140.
Of the season, of the earnings season, because we want to hear more details about DeepSeek. We want to hear more about Blackwell, the capacity, supply issues, and that sort of thing. And then, of course, I want to hear what they have to say about the data center build out.
Niggas getting nuked right now.
To all the big names, where all the capex is going. So I think we have to wait for the call, unfortunately. But the numbers are good.
Yeah, they ain't really moved. They just in the middle of the range we already created. Like they're at point of control. They haven't crashed yet. EPS beats.
Pretty much across the board, but we have to dig more.
They beat across the board. Now they're digging.
That's absolutely right. I did expect a double beat.
Yeah, they had a double beat on revenue and EPS. We're waiting on guidance. That's what we're waiting on.
Everything that I want to know is in the CFO commentary and on the call. Right?
The video's holding up over 130 right now.
Details about the Blackwell rollout, supply chain clarity. I would love for Jensen to come out and be very direct on DeepSeek. I've been on your show before saying DeepSeek.
Oh my God, they're waiting on Jensen to come on and be direct about the DeepSeek shit. Oh my God. If they want him to,
He's gonna be on CNBC tonight.
Yeah, he finna be on there, but that's what they said, which I feel it because we're really in this shit because of DeepSeek. If he comes out and like says some shit strong, saying that DeepSeek shit is impossible, what they're talking about is impossible, then you know.
Yeah, he wants him. They say they want him to say that it's actually an opportunity for Nvidia, the DeepSeek shit.
Ah, okay. As far as price action, man, shit is in the middle of the range. Holding up though, I mean.
It's holding up, it's not crashing. I mean,
it's not crashing.
If this was a shoe drop, this shit would be gone. Like I'm telling you.
Yeah, you're right.
It would be getting swept, so this is not bad.
Yeah, this is not bad. This is calm.
Like we were just saying, it's still not a bad daily candle. To close with a higher low and a doji, it's not bad.
Yeah.
Just to your point, that bullish commentary, he said, quote, we've successfully ramped up the massive scale production.
Yeah, they're getting close to the call going on.
Management did warn to go down and then come back up in the second half of the year around 75%. Guys? All right, Christina, thank you. Paul, we were talking about it earlier in the show, the possibility of a triple play for Nvidia. Looks like we got that here, but to Christina's point, maybe the non-GAAP gross margin guidance hindering it a little bit.
Yeah, that's a little bit low, but as she said, they're forecasting a pickup in the second half, so that would be a good thing. I think more important than the conference call is going to be the interview at 7 o'clock with John, because hopefully John can flesh out more details on more than a quarter.
All right, man, that shit wasn't much right there.
To Christina's point, maybe the non-GAAP gross margin guidance hindering it.
I don't know. It's kind of a non-factor right now, the way the market's looking, but that's not like, I mean, a hold is a hold, I guess, for shit. I don't know.
A hold is a hold, I guess. I mean, Nvidia and the market, they're doing the same thing, pumping green, but in the middle of the range. But they traded today already, so it's just like.
Yes, this headline just came out, said demand for Blackwell is amazing. Some of the Blackwell chips or whatever.
Yeah. Yeah, it's looking good. They beat. Triple beat, looks like. Yeah, they beat on guidance too. Yeah.
Production of Blackwell. Can you check the GP3 bus and get more information on that Blackwell?
They did very well because they did a triple. They beat EPS, revenue, and guidance. So, like, why is it not moving?
Still feels heavy.
It still feels heavy in the building, guys. I'm unpacking the bear claws. They still in the box, but for real, they in the box. But I'm looking at them for real.
I mean, listen, anything in the 70s is outstanding, and the fact that we're nitpicking.
Exactly, they're nitpicking.
Yeah, but that's good, but not good enough. For real, but it's like great news is bad. Good news is good. Bad news is great. I didn't think that was there. So like even it's kind of like the best case scenario. It's like they did a triple beat. That's great, but the Wall Street's still looking at it as just good. Just good news is great for the market right now.
Yeah.
The great news is like when it dropped that last time. You know what I mean? The time before, that was great news. They was fucking running up the storm, and every time the earnings came out, they dropped. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's a fact. Cause it's just cooling at 130. I mean, it did wick to close to the day's low. It didn't it brushed today's low.
Another headline: AI is advancing at light speed.
We successfully ramped up the massive scale production of the Blackwell chip. That's fucking great news.
Especially since coming into this print, Nvidia was down something like 7% since the last earnings report. It's down 17% from the January high that we saw early in that month. We know the AI trade is actually up a little bit in the market today, but in general, we've seen quite a rotation. We've seen a lot of profit taking. Your takeaway from the results we've gotten so far and how it speaks to this broader ecosystem.
Yeah, man. That's good. I mean, it's stable. This is it right here. I mean, boys had a triple beat. They did good. AI is advancing at light speed. I mean,
Need to see what Stock Market Live is saying about this.
yeah, head over to Stock Market Live. You get that.
You can get it playing on there. I'll keep my son out the way.
All right, cool. I'll get him playing on other terminal here.
After hours work, boys.
After hours work, man. That's what you got to do, man. You got to be on the market.
For more support. I had to cut them up to get the right.
Well, not bad. Not bad, Patagonia. Not bad.
Yeah. Same thing I'm saying.
So, do you guys want bad news? I have bad news. Oil and Kim. When is I don't know if I'm gonna be here for the conference call. Well, the good news. I have a lot of good news first. The good news. You can follow me on Twitter, Real Cold News. My Instagram at the Trading Fraternity. And then if you go to this channel and click post, you can see the whole entire long term. And if you really have it in you, the first link you could get free long term text. Some of you just discovered that today.
Shout out to Trade Fraternity, man.
I'm selling it.
Because it says it's free. But I promise you for a limited time only.
If the market's going to sleep, man.
You kind of came to that realization.
Yes, I'm going to
Don't get too long term.
Yep.
That's all I care about. Everything else
Yeah, I think we're all clear for us
is
now.
long term, okay?
I'll
But
probably check back on CNBC at 7, see what he say on the news.
Yeah, we'll check back in on them on 7. Globex is going to be interesting. We'll see how Asia and London takes this news. But as of right now, of course, U.S. markets are closed, but no crazy movement in the after hours. Nvidia is pretty much trading where it closed.
It's triple beat, so the floor shouldn't fall from under us. That's the only reason everybody's even watching this shit.
Yeah, that is very true, for real. Because, I mean, it's already trading at, I guess, a low as far as Nvidia. So it's holding. It could have definitely slipped 20 and start getting a little nasty for it. So Nvidia held, triple beat. We held. Turn your TV down a little.
Sorry. Damn, my shit was low. This damn Apple.
It should be loud as a mud. But yeah, everything held. NASDAQ held within the range. It's in the middle of the range. Nvidia did the triple beat. It's not bad news here. We did reject 6,000 with this 4-hour candle. So, but besides that,
the 4-hour downtrend is still in full effect.
Yeah, the overall downtrend on the 4-hour is humming, dude.
Yeah.
It's humming.
But that was painless, though.
Yeah, that was painless. That's good, you know.
That's a higher low in both equities on the daily, too.
Yeah, higher low on both equities. Now we're starting to kind of get that, we might be starting to get that long-term consolidation at the level. Higher time frame consolidation at the level, you know.
Yeah, and all the levels that went and snatched, I mean, 59.25, you know, ES 59.25, 59.50, those are levels from time for us. So these levels hold, I'm willing to trust, you know, some kind of, you know what I'm saying? It's maybe the level to break the trend. So, yeah,
it's definitely possible.
So the, you know, 59.25 get flushed and NASDAQ take out 20,008. But NASDAQ really went straight to 21,000 even and traded like an algo.
And NASDAQ's freaky.
Freaky. For real, but that's cool to know. 21,000 and 59.25. It's the same level for these two products. So hypothetically, you know what I'm saying. So
yeah, I mean they're both strong sell down into key areas. So we'll see. Even looking at the daily, you see the volume profile. It's not much volume below these areas on both of these. So
yeah, it's not.
yeah, on the daily, the visible profile, you can see it for real. ES is in a clump of volume, but Nasdaq is pretty close to point of control. The high the Nasdaq made today is now point of control on the volume profile for it. So we'll see, man.
Yeah,
tomorrow.
That's quite a cliff on the fucking ES daily.
Yeah, you see that? Yeah, it's very significant.
That's telling. That's very significant.
Yeah, the Nasdaq has more of a full histogram, kind of culminating to the middle, like how it's. So it could kind of stair step a little bit further before it's like out of volume, but it's like a cliff right here on the volume.
It's a perfect histogram on the Nasdaq.
Yeah, wow. It's beautiful. Yeah, so that's good, man. I mean, at least Nvidia didn't come in and do no crazy shit. But the main thing to me is just like, this is still a sign that markets is changing.
Yeah, markets are changing because it barely had any effect on what's going on. So I don't know if to take that as like it's not important anymore, or that a triple beat is just like no news. You know what I mean?
Yeah, bro, because they literally triple fucking beat did nothing on the lows. Like, I mean, hey.
Yeah, but you can't. It's at a key level, so you just can't ignore the fact that it is holding. It could have flushed. You know what I mean? So I think that's probably the story that I'm kind of going to contextualize, like, because it did happen. Just because the market did move much, it just, like, dog, the way Trav was talking about this level yesterday and this news coming out, how everybody was just waiting and watching. It's like, like people were saying, like, he was saying if the market was to fall, if Nvidia was to fall and make the market fall, then it would have to be something else to change. To, like, you don't know what will bring it back. You know what I mean? What catalyst could hold the market up at that point? A triple beat on Nvidia is holding the market up at this point, to me. Especially the Nasdaq might even close with a green candle.
Yeah, because the daily's still going.
Yeah, the daily's still going. I'm watching the daily on the Nasdaq.
Yeah, and on the yes, it's a slight pinch. You know what I'm saying?
Even the slightest green is overweight. But then you got YM down fucking 0.5% at the same time.
Yeah, but the YM, I mean, for real, it's a signal of, with the YM, you kind of got to look at signals of rotation, for real. While we've been falling, people kind of been rotating into the YM, so that might be a sign. People starting to rotate out of the YM with that news. 'Cause we didn't budge if the YM did fall. Be a sign of rotation from Uncle Dow, Big Dog Dow. Oh man, that bitch is down. That's crazy. Yeah, so with that news, that triple beat with us closing out a doji at this key level after showing some buy pressure on the daily yesterday as well, closing with a higher low, that might have been enough for people to start rotating back in here. You know what I'm saying? After that triple beat. I mean, it's looking good.
Yeah, just keep your eye on that motherfucker, man. I'll be watching it, you know.
Yeah, I'll be watching it throughout the after hours while I'm doing my study. I'll definitely be watching it.
Yeah, because it's just unch right now.
Yeah, it's just unch. I mean, we're in the middle of the range we got a doji on the daily, and we're in the middle of that range, current price action. So it's nice and chill, for real.
Yeah, it's actually unch. It's actually like part of the video alone. It's unch after hours, holding a 3% dead, almost 4% dead.
True.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying too.
Yeah, let's check out Nvidia. Nvidia's dead.
Anybody that was in the video, up almost 4% today. So even it holding after hours, if you was ballsy enough not to take profit on the earnings, you still holding profit from the dead.
Yeah, that's a fact. I'm trying to pull up Nvidia's daily chart right now. This candle had to close as a green candle after some sales.
Yeah. Yeah, market's definitely going to sleep, but a little floaty, little zombie rally going on right now.
See, what I wanted Google to do, what I wanted the market to do, Nvidia did it for real. 3 red crows today, and then three red crows for the last 3 days. Bounce off the 200 SMA, and this daily candle right here is going to close green as long as it stays above 130.
Like, that's such a long signal on Nvidia alone. Even that kind of lends to the buy signal on the daily. So if this specific Nvidia long gets swept, then that would be a whole another bearish signal.
Yeah,
you know.
Because Nvidia gave a signal. Nvidia gave a signal I wanted the market to give today.
Yeah, the market might give it. I mean, I got 20 minutes, and both of these daily candles are green with a higher low. So
yeah, that is true.
You, the way the market's been falling, you got to count that as something. Doing nothing right now is something.
It's something, yeah.
For real, bro. The way this shit been going, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, you gotta look at the last couple of days. Just the last couple daily candles. You know what I mean? The fact that we even get a higher low on the video earnings day when people were like, oh, they didn't know what was gonna happen. It was like peak fear, literally like 40 minutes ago. And you gotta play it by ear, but I wouldn't jump to something's changing until 950 breaks hard and 21,000 breaks hard. This is a buy signal here on the equities to me. A buy signal with a whole lot of profit to clean up. You're talking about 100 points on the ES. This happened in 4 days. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it did. It's vigorous. Last 4 trading days did all this shit, and that was from real pretty much all-time highs down to these fucking lows.
Yeah, but it's like, what do you really even want it to do, though? Do you want it to get back clouded up in those all-time highs, or would you rather it just fall?
I know, that's a good question, because shit. I want some sign of a trend, because we're at a new year now, for real. All-time highs of last year is just a high for this year.
Yeah.
Currently, you feel me? Like, that's just the high of last month right now. So I would like to see a trend form to the upside, because this market is slated to buy. You know what I'm saying? But if we have to extend lower, I don't mind either way. So if the market, you know what I'm saying, as long as I'm taking my signals and not doing what I want in the building, then
yeah,
it can continue to short. But it'll be nice to get, because at some point it's going to get to a clean trend. You know what I'm saying? Or this might be a negative year. But the odds of that is what?
Yeah,
8 out of 10? You know, it's possible. But.
Yeah, it's possible, but it's just the probability-wise. I mean, but we have been green 2 years in a row.
Yeah, big green.
Once we green like that third year, I think it gets into like lower odds, because quite rare it streaks 3.
Yeah.
Like, I think you can go for a 3P, but then shit, you'll be looking at some crazy shit in 26. You know what I mean? Based on history, I think. You know, I have to go back and double check that, but.
Yeah, to me, for real, just keep following the charts right now. That's good. Nvidia pretty much kept the markets muted on the moves that it already did for the day. For Nvidia's pretty much got.
It's holding water right now.
Yeah, it's holding water. It's holding 130. So I mean, what can I say? It's holding 130 the same way that we're holding the lows of the day. You know what I'm saying? So it's good, man.
Like, that's why it's just weird how identical the video charts looks to the equities, because it's like it's holding a triple bottom damn near.
Yeah, for real. But and with that, that's good news, because if we're following Nvidia gave that signal I wanted on the daily.
And I think we should that's something you should definitely notate, because that's
Yeah, that's definitely noted.
On Nvidia, and then the green candle you was looking for happened in Nvidia. But we also got triple bottom. Like, these charts are damn near identical, bro.
Yeah.
And I'm looking at a fucking line chart, and they look identical. Line chart in Nvidia compared to like my 2 charts of my 2 daily charts of the ES and the NASDAQ. You can clearly see the triple bottom. Solid triple bottom. 21,000 for NASDAQ, and it's 59.50 for us. We'll wicks out, but nobody's out.
Yeah, and it, like I said, like we just said on the about that volume profile, it shows on the daily. Not much volume outside of this area. For real.
Yeah, on both products.
Yeah, so just for real, just using my eyes. For real, 3 red crows, and today we made a higher low. For real, so the stand still stands. If tomorrow we can get a green candle, then this is really where you plow in. You know what I'm saying? This is really where you can really get in.
You'll know early if the volume is headed back toward the upside.
Yeah, you'll know early.
The market, I like, is still waiting on something too, though. So just we'll have more information in the morning. Because he is going to sit down on CNBC and the agent's going to trade it and shit. But as of right now, probably the most volume move they can have is hunch.
Yeah, it's hunch. For real, man. They made the Super Bowl boring. Fucking Doji's on all products right now. Doji's on fucking NASDAQ, ES, and Nvidia for our candles. Our daily candles.
Crazy.
All right, that's good, man. That's good work. I got my charts pretty much set up for tomorrow. And it's pretty simple, guys. As you can see, we just highlighted the high and low of the day. And also we highlighted got a fucking Lambo going by or something. Okay. Broke up the fucking session. So we got Asia session right here, London session, and then we got our New York session in the blue. And that just helps me when I come in at 9. I'll be able to go through my run plan pretty seamlessly. Yeah, man. So Nvidia earnings, man. Unchburger markets is in the middle of the range that it traded today. Did make a higher low on the daily. Nvidia did hold 130. They did a triple beat on revenue, EPS, and guidance. So it's looking bullish. I mean, for real, it's looking like buy the dip, but we'll see. We'll see in the morning, man. We shall see in the morning.
We're gonna be looking. I'm gonna do some research tonight too. Just have an ear to the street on since we're past Nvidia now. Tariffs. Tariff news March 1st.
Okay.
So that was the 30 deadline. I think Mexico, they're already talking about they're going to probably negotiate a deal, but we're gonna have to have our ear to the streets on that.
All right, cool. No big news tomorrow. Durable goods tomorrow, and we got jobless claims tomorrow.
Okay.
And GDP quarter over quarter, second estimate. That might be important. All right, cool. Durable goods is always a fun one, though.
Yeah, and this message climbed up into 8:30. Looks like we only got some Fed speakers around our session. So.
Yeah, and do we it look like PCE prices preliminary? Core PCE?
Yeah, the prelim because the PCE prices come out Friday.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll be looking out for PCE Friday morning. It's gonna be the same setup.
All right,
news, I believe, and we see.
Yeah, you're right. Core PC on Friday. Shout out Top Step X, man.
Yeah, shout out Top Step X where I get all my news.
All my news.
Consumer spending on Friday is going to be probably most important. So jobless and consumer spending. PC, I'm not too fluent on how PC affects the market, but just looking at that off the top of my eye, consumer spending and initial jobless claims.
All right, cool.
Chicago PMI too.
Yeah, PMI. Yeah, PM. So all this is inflation news on Friday. So this is important. That PC price index and the all the way down to the Chicago PMI. That might be even what why the market's muted. Niggas probably waiting on that. All right, cool. So we got some good catalysts tomorrow. Jobless claims, durable goods, GDP, and also PC preliminary. All that's going down at 8:30, way before the session. So that's good. Session is clear. Nice, man. We might be able to get into a banger right at 10 o'clock tomorrow.
Yeah, that's what I'll be looking for.
Yeah,
10 o'clock is that prime execution time for real. Usually, if you follow your process right, you'll have a limit set by 10.
yeah, have a limit set by 10 for sure.
So that's the main goal.
Yeah, because if you're following your process right, reading it like a book, you'll be ready to put something on at 10.
Yeah, because you want to get the earliest setup you can get is at 10, and even with the volatility, it's been showing that 10 o'clock. Even though it seemed like that big long candle, but by 10 usually it's like a peak point of the move.
Yeah, exactly.
These days have been so extended, you know what I mean?
All right, man. My execution charts are set up. That's good work, man. Appreciate my partner. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate everybody on the YouTube. Any last remarks there, Mom, before we sign out here?
No, that's it, man. Subscribe. Join the Discord too. We don't know yet how to keep a fresh link in the bio, so just hit the comment if you would like a fresh link. I'll send it like right away.
Yeah, exactly. And I'll look into that to get that reoccurring link. But if you do hit the link and it's expired, just drop a comment, and we do this all day, so we'll hit you right back and get you a fresh link. But join the Discord, man. It's free. You know what I'm saying? For a free community. Yeah, man. We appreciate all you guys for tapping in. We got a couple cool things coming, couple course videos, couple things showing you our daily process, running our run plan. So like I said earlier, we'll have a couple of those videos coming out in the next few days. But besides that, man, we're signing out. You guys trade safe. Tap in with us, like, subscribe, comment. We'll catch you guys next time, all right?
Peace. All right.